Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most popular entry-level sport bikes in the world, the 2026 Yamaha R15. Known for its sharp styling, agile handling, and impressive performance for its class, the R15 has become the top choice for new riders and enthusiasts alike. The 2026 model brings refined updates that make it even more exciting and more sport-focused than ever. Let's dive into what's new and why this R15 stands out in its segment. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha R15 arrives with a sleeker, more aggressive profile inspired by Yamaha's larger Supersport machines. The front end gets sharper LED headlamps, redesigned air ducts, and improved aerodynamics for better stability at speed. The bodywork is cleaner and more compact, giving the bike a true track-ready stance. New color options and updated graphics add a fresh, modern touch that makes the R15 look fast even when standing still. Performance and powertrain. Under the fairings, the 2026 R15 continues with its reliable 155cc liquid-cooled engine featuring VVA technology for strong performance across the rev range. Yamaha has fine-tuned the fuel system for smoother throttle response and slightly improved fuel economy. The 6-speed transmission with assist and slipper clutch enhances riding confidence, especially during aggressive downshifts. With its lightweight chassis and sporty suspension setup, the R15 delivers sharp handling whether you're navigating city streets or carving twisty roads. Safety and technology. The 2026 R15 gets notable tech upgrades, including a refreshed digital instrument cluster with better readability and Bluetooth connectivity for phone alerts and ride tracking. Dual-channel ABS comes standard, offering enhanced braking control. Yamaha has also improved the LED lighting system for clearer visibility at night. And the traction characteristics of the rear tire provide better grip in varied riding conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha R15 continues its legacy as one of the most capable lightweight sport bikes on the market. With sharper styling, refined performance, and smart technology updates, it offers an exciting blend of efficiency and sportiness. Whether you're a beginner, looking for your first sport bike, or an enthusiast wanting a spirited everyday ride, the new R15 is built to deliver. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, updates, and first looks at the machines shaping the future of motorcycling.